All right, what's going on? You got an intake?
I got an intake to replace this different intake because that intake.
Whoa, PG-13.
Oh, my bad.
I think I've seen this one before.
ARM?
I think so.
They just released it. So
oh, really?
Do you have to be mathless?
No, it's math. So on the aluminum arm, it does got a math on it.
Yeah, but is it gonna throw a code? Look, that's just a circle. That ain't no different than what we made.
It's metal though.
I bet it throws code.
You know what? Let it.
We'll find out.
With this car, let it.
Is it a front mount?
Huh? No, it's a hot side.
Yeah, why do you got that big silicone fire?
Because it's gonna replace the turbo nut as well.
Oh,
So it's a two birds and one stone situation for me.
I got you.
Oh, that's sticker.
So it's even funner to install, is what you're saying.
That's what I was getting out of that. Hey.
Since I didn't get...
Rock, paper, scissors for sure.
No, you got it.
Go straight in the trash can. One thing is we have. That's my only issue right there for that. Because it gives you a silicone for going straight into the PCB, but we're gonna have to figure out how to do it for that catch can.
Let's get her done.
No, we're not. It's gonna sit here for 2 days.
Like 5 hours later.
Still sitting there. Why haven't you started?
Wait, are you waiting on it?
Huh?
He's doing it.
I'm gonna do it.
Oh, you're doing it. Oh, I see what's happening.
Trevor, you doing it?
You need a shot. I could probably do it, yeah.
All right, let's do it.
Yeah. That's a very rough statement there.
All right.
All right, so old intake is off.
Old intake is off. I hate heater hoses. Kate, how'd you get this thing on?
I don't know.
You're gonna need a pick. Pick and or a flathead.
He just grabbed the flathead.
Oh, well then what is his problem?
That's really hot. I didn't even get you up to temp. Why are you hot?
So it should sound like the one we made.
Yeah, I'm curious to see that. Because it'll be interesting to see if it's that loud or if it's going to be quieter.
Mm-hmm. Brought in reinforcements.
I brought in the guy who actually knows what he's doing.
I don't know.
Well, it's supposed to be PG-17, apparently. I don't know. He can get away with it and I can't. That's all I know.
I mean, part of your problem is that clamp right there is hitting that hard metal line.
Cool.
So you definitely need to take that off. No, that's your oil feed line. So you either need to clock this up here.
He's like, yep, and you should be good to go.
No, for real. He's going to do it in like one motion and get it on and be like, roll so hard. Hold the damn light still. I can't see.
Spawn, you ever had your dad yell at you about holding the flashlight?
Oh, yeah.
That's 100%. Right out of that.
Intake is on. You gonna redline it? Yeah?
Funny.
Just once.
After the bullshit that it just took from literally everyone in the shop to try and get that stupid PCB system on, I hate this car.
All right, let's hear it. Yeah.
Oh, I just work here.
I just work here. Sound clips. Okay. Let's try one with the windows up. So you said you thought it was quieter at first.
Well, that
Still-
was before, because we had the intake issue of it not making boost. But I mean, I had something too weird today, and I mean, and it feels a lot louder.
It sounds cool.
And
It sounds
it's
sick.
honestly making more power too.
Yeah.
With it, not just what do you call it? Because I had that, I wasn't making boost for a while, so we got that issue figured out last night too.
Gotcha.
The pressure sensor. So that's helping out too now that I'm making the right amount of horsepower.
What's it sound like if you let off like 3K, 4K?
I mean, it's pretty loud now.
Yeah, it sounds good. I don't remember what it was like before, but okay. So are you on the new MHD too?
MHD, the 2.0 maps.
I hear the brap thing in there.
Yep. Short brap with soft burbles. And then of course anti-lag, because
You got to.
you gotta have anti-lag.
Dude, that is sick.
With an aftermarket blow off too.
Was it Turbo Smart?
Turbo Smart plumb back. I mean, a lot more turbo noise too of it just letting off.
Yeah, I think it's sick. You think it's worth it?
Oh yeah. Installation's a little bit of a pain if you don't really know what you're getting into. But I mean,
Yeah, she's a tight fit down there.
oh yeah.
Okay. Dude, she's not slow at all.
Oh, no,
She feels good.
She's making power again, which is nice.
Up here, I'll have you let me out and we'll get some drive-bys.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna try and block the wind here. It was moving. That overrun sounds so cool. Alright, you can definitely hear it. Sick. Hell yeah.
Yeah, it's a car. I can win. I'm happy with it. But your other sensor is gonna go right into that J. But what it's supposed to do is if you don't have a catch can, is use your OEM vent, send straight onto there. But since I have a catch can set up, we had to finagle it a little bit to get it on and get it set up. But
So what'd you change? What'd you do different? This piece?
yeah, I mean that's just
I
supposed to
gotcha.
right. That's when the instructions were supposed to go from straight from there to your vent. But since I have catch can, we're gonna go straight to the catch can and circulate.
Gotcha. Cool.
Let it die in peace.
ARM E9 N55 Intake.